Top 8 must-have 4K Blu-ray movies for testing home theater audio. At its essence, watching 4K Blu-ray movies is all about listening to a story, though it immerses you so deeply that it feels as if you're actually there. A top-notch home theater acts as your own dream factory. The more outstanding the film, the more it captivates and resonates with you. We have thoughtfully chosen a selection of films known for their outstanding audio-visual quality, and we hope you enjoy watching them. If you're interested in testing your home theater sound system, we highly recommend using lossless Blu-ray discs and playing them through a surround sound setup. Don't forget to stock up on your favorite movie snacks and drinks, then sit back, relax, and enjoy experiencing exceptional surround sound movies. Number 1. Top Gun Maverick. If you want to truly test your system's audio capabilities, Top Gun Maverick is an absolute must-see, and not just because it's a good movie. The action sequences and aerial cinematography stand out as the film's crowning achievements, setting a benchmark that is nothing short of reference grade. You'll find that you don't even need to blast the volume to fully enjoy the rich surround sound and overhead effects. In addition, the film features striking color saturation and contrast, allowing you to pick up every intricate detail and movement with remarkable clarity. This high level of visual fidelity pulls you deeper into the cinematic experience, making it the ultimate demonstration material for any home theater setup. It's a title you definitely want in your collection. Number 2. 65. This film offers a dynamic sound experience, featuring a truly immersive overhead soundscape and vibrant surround audio, ensuring clear separation of sounds. A particularly memorable moment occurs during the opening sequence. At the exact moment of impact, explosive detonations and urgent alarms overwhelm the audience from all angles. With precise sound placement and excellent bass reproduction, the audio aligns perfectly with the on-screen action, making every heartbeat resonate with intensity. When played on a 4K Blu-ray player, this film not only captivates with its stunning sound effects, but it also marks a significant upgrade in visual quality. The meticulous details, from the intricate textures of the dinosaurs to the lush greenery of ancient forests, are rendered with breathtaking realism. Watching it feels like stepping back in time to the Cretaceous period, an era brimming with excitement and peril. Number 3. Monster Hunters. The film masterfully weaves together reality and fantasy, featuring intricately designed monsters that are both captivating and at times lifelike. The lighting and shadow effects during the combat scenes are truly outstanding, adding an extra layer of intensity. Additionally, the environments such as forests and deserts are depicted with stunning detail and vibrant colors. Throughout the film, there are moments with intense sound pressure levels and powerful, low frequencies that elevate the experience. This combination of high sound pressure and strong bass, coupled with a tightly woven narrative, turns each hunt into a captivating audiovisual spectacle. The impressive volume and depth of the low-frequency response really shine. In fact, this film is a fantastic test for your subwoofer, helping you assess its ability to deliver deep bass. Number 4. Godzilla vs. Kong. This film showcases vivid colors and high contrast, immersing viewers in the excitement of chaotic battles. It makes extensive use of ultra-low frequencies that mimic the roars of colossal beasts, resonating throughout the entire soundtrack. While the film's plot may not be a personal favorite, its audio production is truly exceptional, providing a definitive test of a home theater subwoofer's performance. Number 5. The Shallows. The Shallows offers a sharp and visually immersive upgrade, highlighting the ocean's vivid blues and the bright, sunlit environment with impressive clarity. HDR enhances contrast, allowing details to stand out in both the reflective water and darker underwater scenes, making the setting feel both beautiful and isolating. The surround sound mix adds significantly to the tension, using directional audio to place viewers in the middle of the action. Waves, wind, and distant birds move naturally through the channels, while sudden splashes and underwater sounds create suspense. Deep bass effects give weight to key moments, making the experience more intense and engaging. Number 6. Pacific Rim. This film comes highly recommended. Its plot, music, special effects, and performances are all top-notch. The audio track is exceptionally well crafted, showcasing a wealth of low-frequency effects that keep each speaker engaged throughout the entire playback. Many scenes are sure to leave a lasting impression, especially those that make use of height and surround channels, all thanks to a dynamic audio mix rich in detail. Visually, the film presents a stunning combination of strength and beauty. When enjoyed on a 4K Blu-ray player, every tiny detail from the scales of the monsters to the textures of the mechs shines with exceptional clarity. With earth-shattering bass and the full activation of every speaker, you're drawn into an immersive world of combat unlike any other. The second installment maintains this high standard with equally impressive sound design. Number 7. Moonfall. When it comes to audio quality, this film truly reaches reference-grade status. The surround and height channels are impressively active, while the low-frequency effects pack a significant punch, especially the bass, which is strikingly powerful. If you have a high-quality subwoofer, you'll definitely feel its impact physically. Visually, when you experience it on a 4K Blu-ray player, every tiny crack on the moon's surface is rendered with such clarity that it feels almost within reach. This stunning visual detail is perfectly paired with the seamless blend of the surround and overhead channels, and when combined with the booming bass, the experience resonates deeply, making you feel as if you're right in the heart of the chaos, with every tremor putting your subwoofer to the ultimate test. Number 8. Blade. This film stands out as essential test material for any home theater setup, showcasing superb audio and video quality. The audio, in particular, reaches absolute reference-grade levels, making it a true highlight. The surround sound performance is exceptional. The dynamic interplay of effects, coupled with powerful low-frequency response, makes every fight scene incredibly thrilling. The sound effects for the boomerang are especially stunning. They create the sensation that the weapon is whirling just beside you. While the Blade franchise is primarily known for its action-packed sequences and vampire themes, a 4K Blu-ray release would uncover even greater detail in the shadows and provide more seamless color transitions. This would ultimately deliver a more immersive viewing experience for the audience.